Hi, I'm Thomas Thiessen, Forage and Turf Product Manager with Brett Young. A new pasture or hayfield is a significant investment, and it's expected to pay back over the life of your new stand with higher yields and quality to increase your farm's productivity. To give your new forage stand the best chance of success, it's important to ensure your seed bed is prepared, weeds are controlled, and of course that you choose high quality forage seed. But even when you do everything right, sometimes conditions can work against you. When you purchase forage seed from Brett Young, you're eligible to enroll in our Forage Establishment Guarantee. And in the event of an establishment failure, your replacement seed cost is covered by Brett Young. Joining is easy. Get started by reaching out to your Brett Young retailer to learn more about program requirements and complete our Forage Establishment Guarantee form. Then you can plant your Brett Young forages with peace of mind. Sign up for our Establishment Guarantee by April 1st and plant your new stand without a companion crop for 100% coverage, or use a companion crop for 50% coverage. If you sign up by April 30th and plant your new stand without a companion crop, you can receive 50% coverage or seed with a companion crop for 25% coverage. Seeding must be completed by June 30th to qualify, and you must notify Brett Young of an establishment failure within 60 days of seeding or by July 30th. For more information on our Forage Establishment Guarantee, contact your Brett Young retailer or visit brettyoung.ca/establishment guarantee.